Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In an upcoming workshop, I'll be painting one of my favorite flowers, peonies. There are many, many ways of painting peonies. As a matter of fact, there are artists who specialize in painting peonies and only does peonies in their paintings. And in this workshop, because there are so many different ways, I have selected one of the most common and favorite way of painting peonies is actually with the side of the brush. So we will load the brush with different gradation and we'll actually push the side of the brush to create different petals. And so in this particular workshop, we'll create peonies, with various reference photos. And then with that, we will learn how to use different um, pressing of the brush, and we will work on not only the flower, but also on little flower bulbs. And of course, not to forget the stems, the new growth, and also the leaves. So together, in our demo piece, we'll actually put together a peonies painting of flowers, flower bulbs, leaves, branches, and also if we have time, we'll work on not just the peonies that is pink, but also in a variety of color, such as a deeper red or orange and yellow, or a tint of purple. So I hope to see you in this upcoming workshop to do one of the way of painting peonies, which is the pressing of the brush of the side. So I hope to see you in this peonies workshop. Thank you. Bye-bye.